Minista Muviani wa kiw'u Eric Mugaa niwalumiliilya nunalikiliile nthini kilingiisi kila kikumbilite waki wa Silanga wa Thwake na nukuikiithya niwathela face ya Mbee tuivikiiya mwaini wa Thanthatu mwaka ukite. Mugaa niwalumiliilya mathina maingi ma Silanga ni budget ya waki na contractor munene kulea kwianiwa ni lato ya uthukumi. Ateo nunalikiliile katina kukuna basi mathina na eithiwa asiaisye kwa vakuve muno mulati kuminukilw'a vinoka na kumauna ekali maukamba Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvombe yange.
Minista Muviani wa kiw'u Eric Mugaa niwathana kuthinikia mathina ala mekumbilite kuminukilw'a kwa Silanga munene wa Thwake kuya kauntini ya Makueni. Aiweta we mwene thitu mustali no Mbee kumantha usungi ulwa mathina ma Thwake. Kwianana na Mugaa ni kana mathina ma Thwake ni kwaluka kwa plan ya waki wa Silanga na indi budget ila yithitwite uvika mulatini na kutuma waki wa Silanga uikwama vyo.
The main challenge in Thwake was that there was a design change along the way. This project was the height of the dam, of the actual embankment, that's what we call the dam, was designed at 77 meters. But the dams experts, these are the people who look at the safety of dams all over the world, and also to increase storage of water, impoundment, advised it to be raised by 3 meters. So imagine it is a almost 1.5 kilometer long wall. I think one of you should visit and have a look at that wall. Raising it by 3 meters from 77 to 80.5. It was 77.5 to 80.5. The main challenge was funding. Because of those, there was a requirement to have saddle dams along it, on the sides. You see, if you impound water here and you have increased the height, because of the nature of the setup, water is about to spill from that side, the sides. So we call them saddle dams. That also became in as a variation. At the time of tendering, the geological survey at the foundation, at the river bed, during construction they encountered very weak soils. So also that necessitated another variation. We call them variations in engineering. And also, this project has been ongoing from 2017 to 2024. They are what we call cost variations. Because of inflation, COVID came, wars started, so the cost of materials has gone up.
Kwianana na Silikali ni kana uone mubango wa maendeleo ula nongi no minukilw'a ni Silikali ya President William Ruto vala muvia wa kiw'u uweta vena vaita munene nthini wa kuminukilw'a kwa mulati ilembetane ya ukamba.
Thwake Dam is one of this administration's flagship projects, and His Excellency the President is very keen on its completion. And I think in less than 1 month I was in Thwake trying to unlock that deadlock.
Siumwa ile mbetu nuna twaisi onendanya na mwene kantlasi Silanga vamwe na vengi nene ila siungami itengaliko ilovia no kana kuikiithya uthukumi tuwasiokewa na waendea vate kuungama.
We have engaged African Development Bank. These are the actual funding partners. I was with them when I traveled to meet them, and that is our key agenda. We have raised a memo, a cabinet memorandum on the same, to enable us unlock that funding challenge from ADB. I've engaged ADB, so your problem on funding, I'm looking forward in the next 2 or 3 months will be unlocked. And I actually met that contractor and the consultant here in the office 3 weeks ago. Challenge was funding. And I've involved African Development Bank. We have raised a cabinet memorandum on the same, waiting to be discussed. And we are looking forward to completing that dam by mid next year.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumava musini lovi nyenita wa Benjamin na Mwaka.